Hello, this is Costas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you how I use Sword AI to create swords with superheroes. Okay, maybe you have already saw this kind of videos that I have already posted with all those amazing superheroes. Let me show you. You see, this time I'm gonna say that we're gonna have a cat, and here I'm gonna select Deadpool, and I have here Doorman, or I can select Iron Man, and the Joker, and where it's gonna be, I'm gonna say that it's gonna be to Forbidden City is okay. And the only thing I'm gonna have to select, you see, I can even change the language and select any other language. You see here, I got a ton of languages, and I can even Greek language. I'm gonna select English and move on. I'm gonna click Generate Script, and here I wrote just cat. So the superheroes are gonna eat a cat, and they're gonna just become something else. We're gonna say that over here we're gonna have to select because you see all the script is done for me. It's everything. It's ready, and I'm gonna have just to click batch generate images over here, and here, as you can see, is gonna ask me if I want to stay over here or just move on and start a new project. Let's stay here so that you can see how easily the whole situation is done. And you see, the procedure is that now the images are generated for our sort. Let's give it a moment so that all of them are generated here. And the next move is gonna be just to click generate and have my video created. And easily then I can uh, just post it to my social media. Uh, I believe it's really amazing. It's really fast. You see, you can even click on the image if you want to change it, and you can check all the other images that it has generated, and you can select either one of them and select confirm use. I'm gonna leave it as default, as the one that the system picked for me. And as you can see, I got almost all my footage images here ready to be posted. You see, uh, it's almost done. I'm gonna just wait a moment to have everything ready. You see, just one picture over here is not done. The Iron Man that gives Deadpool props again. That's the one. Okay, we got everything ready over here, and the only thing I'm gonna do now is just to click generate. Clicking generate, the system is gonna generate the video very fast, and I'm gonna have an amazing video created and ready to post to my social media. I'm gonna just let you see just the beginning of the video. Give me a moment, because this system is really very fast and it creates amazing videos uh, for any kind of sorts. Okay, so as you can see, I got everything ready.
Look at me.
And
Bye-bye.
as you can see, it's really
What we should do?
amazing. You're gonna enjoy that to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my videos about all these new AI platforms, please subscribe and like. I'm gonna show you many interesting videos. The last thing I'm gonna do before I close this video, it's gonna be just to click create post over here, and I'm gonna have the ability to generate a new post
What is he
and
doing?
post it to
Look at
my
me.
channel. Thank you, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.